Dok, kukunin ko na isotret ko bukas. May mga foods ba na need iwasan? Okay lang uminom ng gluta? Pwede ba mag-inom? Why my doctor don't want moisturizer? So generally guys, pag naka-isotret, wala namang bawal talaga in terms of food. However, alam natin na isotretinoin is a vitamin A derivative. Siyempre, yung mga vitamin A rich foods, dapat in moderation natin siyang kakainin or iti-take, diba? So, kasi ako guys, meron akong experience dati. Super favorite ko talaga kasi yung ripe mango. Tapos every meal talaga kumakain ako ng mango to a point na yung pigments ng mango actually deposited sa skin ko and parang yellowish talaga yung skin ko. So nag-worry actually yung mom ko and then pina-check niya ako sa internal medicine. Pero so far, thank God wala naman naging problem sa akin. So basically, ang nangyari sa akin is carotenoderma. So yung mga orange, yellow fruits and vegetables po. Rich po sila sa vitamin A. Kaya guys, iingat tayo kasi kung nasobrahan tayo sa mga foods na rich in vitamin A, then baka mag-increase yung chances natin of developing side effects from your isotretinoin. Also, iwasan natin ang intake ng isotretinoin immediately after pag-take natin ng high fiber diet. Kasi guys, alam niyo naman, isotretinoin is a fat-soluble medication. If nag-take kayo ng fiber, baka lang maapektuhan yung absorption also ng isotretinoin. So if you're taking fiber or fiber supplements po, kailangan intake ninyo yung inyong isotretinoin some other time. Okay? So, dapat hindi sila sabay para ma-ensure natin na maganda po ang absorption ng ating isotretinoin. Now guys, in terms of glutathione naman, so as long as your glutathione does not come with a vitamin A supplement, then this should be okay. Because again, isotret, vitamin A derivative, if you take additional vitamin A supplementation, then probably you're gonna have increased risk of developing side effects from your isotretinoin. And also guys, I do not suggest IV glutathione while on isotretinoin. With or without isotretinoin, I don't recommend it actually kasi nga, syempre, it's not FDA approved for cosmetic purposes. And also may mga cases na ng morbidity and fatalities that may possibly be associated from injecting glutathione. So, if ever gusto niya po talaga ng supplementation ng glutathione while on isotretinoin, as long as FDA approved, pwede po kayo mag-take ng oral glutathione. Wala pong problema in my opinion. And in terms of alcohol intake, guys, it's a no. Remember that isotretinoin, pag nagtitake po tayo nito, our liver is kind of working harder than compared to somebody who's not taking isotretinoin. Tapos, pag uminom pa tayo, mas lalo guys, mahihirapan yung mga liver natin. And pag uminom tayo while on isotretinoin, baka tumaas pa ang ating liver functions. Iwasan natin ang uminom ng alcoholic beverage habang naka-isotretinoin. And then may question dito, why my doctor don't want moisturizer? So, hindi ko lang sure talaga bakit ayaw ng doctor mo ng moisturizer. But isotretinoin is very infamous for skin dryness. If you are going to take isotretinoin, eventually you are going to experience some skin dryness. You will definitely need moisturizers for your face and then lotion for your body and your neck at some point. Alright? So yun, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!